To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
Regulatory integrity remains the cornerstone of the Securities Commission's mission to ensure a fair, orderly, and transparent market, while protecting investors from fraud and criminal activities, said SC Chairman Datuk Mohammed Fariz Azmi. He highlighted that the SC is the primary regulator of Malaysia's capital markets, which as of 2024 are valued at 4.1 trillion ringgit in shares and bonds, compared to 3.6 trillion ringgit in banking assets. This, he said, shows how vital the capital market is to the national economy. He added that while bodies like Bursa Malaysia and the Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia handle less serious infractions, the SC focuses on major breaches and holds the legal power to prosecute, impose fines and pursue jail terms when necessary. Investor awareness is about statistics. There is a lot of crowing about investor awareness programs that a regulator like the Securities and Exchange Board of India, a mutual fund or a stock exchange conducts across the length and breadth of India. They claim to do them in local languages with thousands of financial trainers. All that effort has translated into a 27% financial literacy rate, according to a study published in the latest monthly bulletin of the National Stock Exchange. In a country of 140 crore people, a quarter are financially literate. It is no small achievement if you think about absolute numbers. However, it is lower than the global average of 35%. China said it plans to tax interest income on bonds issued by the government and financial institutions, in a surprise move that's prompted investors to re-evaluate their debt market positions. The government will resume collection of value-added tax on interest income from bonds sold by central and local governments, as well as those from financial institutions starting the 8th of August, the Ministry of Finance said in a statement released on the 1st of August. Bonds issued before that, including the reopening sales on these notes, will be exempted from the tax. Once seen as a small, unexciting market for income-seeking investors, Singapore equities have taken a sharp turn upwards, surging to record highs, with major banks and market watchers signaling that the rally is just getting started. Building on its strong gains from last year, the benchmark Straits Times Index has advanced nearly 10% so far in 2025, outperforming the US benchmark S&P 500 and several regional peers. Singapore's stock market is drawing interest from institutional and retail investors alike, helped by a potent combination of equity market reforms, rising dividends, foreign fund inflows and countries' enduring appeal as a geopolitical safe haven, said market watchers. The severe stock market correction predicted by some analysts has not happened, not yet at least. Meanwhile, financial regulatory authorities are focused less on equity markets and more on what they see as growing lending risks in the now huge non-bank financial intermediation sector, or NBFI. Last month, Andrew Bailey, the newly appointed chair of the Financial Stability Board, who is also governor of the Bank of England, highlighted to G20 finance ministers the need to remain vigilant to the risk of disruptive market moves as uncertainty weighs on economic growth, with systemic financial implications. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. The FIMM annual convention is coming back. Stay tuned for updates and save the date. We look forward to seeing you there.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.